A stress-free move starts with proper packing. Metropolitan Movers provides professional packing and unpacking services. Our expert crew will pack everything quickly and efficiently. We carefully wrap your belongings to make sure everything arrives at your final destination safe and sound. Various types of boxes are available to accommodate different content. Whether your item is heavy, fragile, or antique, we can move it all. For extra protection, we use stretch wrap and bubble wrap. Items that we can't put in boxes, we wrap with care. Whether you prefer packing services or to do the packing yourself, we will deliver all the necessary packing supplies right to your door. Not to mention that Metropolitan Movers is environmentally conscious. We encourage everyone to use our eco-friendly bins. We deliver and pick up the bins right from your front door. Let us know what items you no longer need and we'll take care of the rest. Some will go to our partner charities, others will be disposed of by our junk removal crew. Metropolitan Movers, making moving look easy.